Hello everybody, welcome to this video class. My name is Brian, and today we're going to review the present simple, the past simple, and the future. Do you remember how to use these tenses? Let's start with the present simple. The present simple is used to express actions that happen with some frequency. For instance, when we talk about what we do every day at work, at home, or at university, we use the present simple. It means routines or everyday activities. For example, I work from 8 to 6 p.m. every day, but I don't work on the weekends. Also, we use it to describe a situation that happens regularly as traditions or habits. Marcus always drinks coffee when he gets up. It is also important to remember the form for the present simple. Let's check its structure by using the verb like. Affirmative. In affirmative sentences, we have two types of conjugations for verbs. One for I, you, we, and they, and the second one for he, she, and it. I like, you like, we like, they like, or she likes, he likes, or it likes. Negative. We have the auxiliaries don't and doesn't. For I, you, we, and they, the auxiliary verb is don't. For she, he, and it, the auxiliary verb is doesn't. I don't like. You don't like. We don't like. They don't like. Or she doesn't like. He doesn't like. Or it doesn't like. Question. In questions, we have two auxiliary verbs, do and does. For the I, you, we, and they, the auxiliary verb is do. For she, he, and it, the auxiliary verb is does. The principal verb is not conjugated in questions. Do I like? Do you like? Do we like? Do they like? Or does she like? Does he like? Does it like? Now, let's check the uses of the past simple. The past simple is principally used to refer to an action that happened and finished in the past. It can be a past event or any other past action. When we refer to a past situation as an anecdote or a story to tell others about something that happened in the past, holidays, last week, yesterday, etc., we use the past simple. For example, yesterday morning, something strange happened to me when I took the bus. Let's check the forms using the verb by. Remember, by is an irregular verb. Affirmative. We use the past form for the verbs. In the case of buy, the past is bought. It is an irregular verb. Negative. We have only one auxiliary, did not or didn't. In the negative form, the principal verb is not conjugated, so we have didn't plus the verb in its basic form by. Question. We have the auxiliary verb did for all the pronouns. The principal verb is not conjugated, so we have did plus subject plus the verb in basic form. And finally, let's check the future. We use the future structures to talk about plans, intentions, predictions based on opinion or based on evidence, promises, and spontaneous decisions. For example, we can use going to express a plan. I am going to visit my sister tomorrow. In addition, we can express a prediction based on our opinion about the future. For example, I think cars will fly one day and airplanes won't exist anymore. We can also express a prediction based on evidence. Oh my God, Those black clouds only mean it is going to rain later today. And we can use the future with will to express promises. I will call you later. Also, we use will to express spontaneous decisions. I will open it. Let's check the possible structures by using the verb do. Remember, we have studied two forms for the future, one with will and the other one with going to. Affirmative sentences with will, subject plus will plus verb in the base form plus complement. Negative sentences with will, subject plus won't plus verb in the base form plus complement. Question with will plus subject plus verb in the base form plus complement. Affirmative with going to, subject plus verb plus to be plus going to plus verb in the base form plus complement. Negative with going to, subject plus the verb to be plus not plus going to plus verb in the base form plus complement. Question with going to, the verb to be plus subject plus going to plus the verb in the base form plus complement. Let's sum up. The present simple is used to express actions that happen with some frequency. For instance, when we talk about what we do every day at work, at home, or at university, we use the present simple. It means routines or everyday activities. The past simple is principally used to refer to an action that happened and finished in the past. It can be a past event or any other past action. We use the future to refer to actions that can happen sometime in the future. They can be plans, predictions, promises, or spontaneous decisions. Now, it is time for you to practice what we have reviewed today. Complete the next conversation with the proper form of the verbs. Guess what? I was the Bellini restaurant's new chef. Wow! When did you get the job? I will do a demonstration yesterday, and this morning I received the call. Awesome! will go there to try your dishes. I am going to start next week. I won't have any problem with that. I will wait then. Are you ready to check? Guess what? I am the Bellini restaurant's new chef. Wow, when did you get the job? I did a demonstration yesterday and this morning. I received the call. Awesome, I will go there to try your dishes. I am going to start next week. I don't have any problem with that. I will wait then. Please continue practicing, and we'll see you in our next video class.